today class, since that we already have discussed about the afterlife, the unification, and also the creation of faith, let's have a role play first. So this is called the judgment of the soul. So, mubalik ta sa ancient Egypt, which is i-performing nyo kung saan ang pag-judge sa heart o sa Twitter ni Maan. So, today, I'm going to group your souls into two. So, this will be group 1, the group 2, and the group 3. So, what you're going to do is, dapat, each of you, na mag-represent siya sa mga gods and goddesses, okay? Kung magyapon sila dito sa judgment of the soul. So, you will also follow this rules. So, everyone can just speak. Right, criteria, content, accuracy, participate. Okay, again. Content, accuracy, 10 points.
Participation, 10 points. Creativity, 10 points. Delivery, 10 points. Time management, 10 points. To the total of 50 points.
So, okay, thank you class. So, nagkataon ng 2 minutes para mag-practice. So, are you done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, group 1, please present. Okay, very good. So, how about the group 2? Very good. How about the group 3? Very good. So, now that you already know how the ancient Egypt performed or judged the heart of the souls na mamatay, so can you share what you have learned about our discussion about the Egyptian religion and worldview last 2,000 years? Yes?
I believe, ma'am, ang Egyptian kay David siya
Yes, very good. So ancient Egypt, like what I said earlier, they ilang pagto is polytheism. Again, what is polytheism, Gane?
They believe in many gods.
Okay. Who can share me another what you have learned or realized about what we discussed? Yes, J. Mark?
Consider nila ang Pharaoh as God sa earth na nagawa siya. Sila na-connect sa mga different mga gods.
Yes, thank you. So, karon ba, isa man ang pasatuwa, like, isa man ang pamuna sa tuwa, like, isa ang naas sa taas para mahimong balance ang ato ang community. Sa karon nga, na to? Yes, Jersey?
I think ma'am is president ma'am at mga
Yes, very good. So, today, ang pamuno sa ato ang community is the president. So, another question. Usa man ato ang buhaton, di ba? Like, like sa una, sa ancient Egypt, like, nagkumikay sila pinasamba mga gods and goddesses. So, para ma-avoid discrimination about their religion, so what do you think? Isa ba na possible na itong buhaton para ma-avoid na siya? Yes? Yes?
Para ma-avoid itong discrimination, is dapat na kita maging open-minded since hindi maging nato malikayan na nagkay pagkakansa ng mga religion mo na yes ma'am.
Yes, very good, Janisa. So, para ma-avoid na to ang mga discrimination or pag-judge sa mga lain-lain nga religion, kinahanglan din nato nga makimong open-minded. Kaya dili man sa kanang dapat itong religion kay nganita, dapat dili lang ta-focus. Mas dagan ka ma-learn pag ang inyong mind is open without sa laking nga religion. So now, since that your daghan din mo natunan and also nakasabot din mo sa atong i-discuss, let's have a quiz. So, everyone, can you please read the instruction?
In a one
Sheet of paper, write your answer. Read each statement carefully. Write through if the statement is correct and write false if the statement is wrong. Answer directly. You only have 8 minutes to answer.
So again, nasa isulat ang answer?
One.
Kung sa input ang answer?
True and false.
Okay, please. 1/4 para mag-answer.
Naka 1/4. I want na.
Are you done?
Yes,
Tama.
ma'am. Lahat pa, ma'am.
Okay, take your time. Nakay-ball pen. Yes. Ayan.
Ma'am, kabangog ka siya.
Hindi na okay kayo. Dapat makapag-learn. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, number 1. Are you done?
Yes.
Okay. Take your time.
Yung! Puro, yes, mga kawa.
Hindi mag-irok niya ha. Okay na?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Lahat pa, ma'am.
Manang 8 minutes.
Tama na, ma'am.
Okay, please pass your plate. Okay, thank you, class. So now, before mag-end ang atong discussion, and before mo mamuli, natay, assignment. Wait lang. Yes. So, if na may cellphone, pwede na mo magamit ng cellphone para picturean. So, are you done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that's all for today, class. Please stand. Goodbye and thank you, class.
Goodbye and thank you, Ma'am Ara.